Hello dears, the purpose of this video is to make spatial alignment. It's done by constraining the workpiece is to eliminate degree of freedom. We consider that the workpiece is floating in the space in all directions, 3 rotation and 3 translation. So the first step is to align plan to be perpendicular in the z-axis. This phase is done by probing 3 points at the top surface. The second step is to align edge by eliminating rotation about the axis. It's done by probing 2 points on a surface. The third step is to define coordinating system by probing z, x, and y. So I'm used to make my datum on table number 7. So we probe the workpiece. It must be done in this order. I'm sorry for this vibration because I have to align and to manipulate the hand wheel by myself. The second point. Then the third point. We click on the rotation basic on the table. Then we align by clicking on the icon on the bottom of alignment. At first, we have to leave away the axis and clicking on rotation. I have choose sequence minus, clicking on star after closing the door. And here we go. We get the orientation, the right orientation, like that. In this step, z-axes are perpendicular on the top plane. You can see that the table has been rotated by an angle, and a-axis about is also swiveled. I am approaching the probe to see the alignment. We remark by moving towards y-axis that the workpiece is still not aligned about c-axis. So I clicked in the bottom of rotation to align edge. You have to approach with a security. To probe the first point, and you click in on ancestor. Then the second point, and we probe the second point by clicking on ancestor. On this step, we just rotate the, the vectors of the table without aligning the table. And let's check if the coordinating system, the orientation of the three axes is right. Yes, this is right. Then the third step is to probe in and define. For that, we can remark that spatial alignment has been changed. So the third step is probing the origin. The fourth point you have to save it on the table. The second point finally, the third point. Each probing has to be saved on the table. Now our origin has been defined. You can remark this icon has been appear on the screen. So now we start our programs. I am using a tool with 10 millimeters of diameter. You can see now in this step it will be spatially aligned. Here we go. We can check. Now the workpiece is perfectly aligned with my program. I will check it by stopping the program and opening the door of the machine center. And let's see. This method is really useful for rectifying parts or tightening the tolerance, and is useful for many examples. I will continue the slotting. And here it is. I prefer in the final step to reset spatial alignment by editing the value on the table. Prefer making OR for all of the spatial alignment and making a safety Z. And that's it. I hope you enjoy that video and you can learn more from it. Many thanks.